Hello everyone, today in this video we will make a floor mat with a size of 35 by 55 centimeter, and you can add 10 chains if you want it more wider. I use this yarn size and 6mm crochet hook and a stitch marker. We will do a slip knot and chain 40. Single crochet second chain from the hook at the back bump of this chain. At the end of the row, you should have 39 stitches. Chain 1, single crochet on the first chain, single crochet on the second chain, and I put a stitch marker on the fourth chain because my yarn is a little bit thicker and I don't want to miss my countings. Yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull through 2 loop, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull through 2 loop, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull through 2 loop, and you should do this for 5 times. Pull through 2 loop, and once you have 6 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull all through 6 loop, and single crochet on the stitch marker. And we will do a single crochet on the next 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. And repeat this round, and let's meet again to the end of the row. And remember to pull through 2 loop on your hook. Single crochet on the stitch marker, and at the end of the row you should have 5 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 1, and single crochet each chain for a total of 39 stitches. At the end of the row, chain 1, single crochet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And repeat this round until we meet again to the end of the row. And single crochet on this stitch marker, and you should have 2 more chains. Single crochet 1, single crochet 2, chain 1, and single crochet each chain for a total of 39 single crochet stitches. At the end of the row, chain 1 and single crochet 1, 2, and repeat again the bubble. Thank you so much for watching. See you again on my next video. Bye bye.